There we go. Well guys, welcome back to the channel.
Hey guys.
We are here at an abandoned little farmhouse.
You're covered in.
Quite out in the sticks, covered in crap. But we're here, we're going to get stuck in and enjoy the explore. Hope you guys enjoy it. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh. This is full, man. There's loads of paint. Wow, what is that down there? This obviously was the kitchen at some point.
Sofa.
Yeah, but look, got an auger down there.
Oh yeah.
It's all covered up. Look at that, you can see it. Wow.
That is awesome.
Even got electric board up here. There's quite a few little bits and that dotting around. In here we've got all the sofas and that piled up. But we're going to climb over. Whoa. Not trying to fall over too much. God. You alright?
Yeah.
What we got in here?
Longer legs than you.
Yeah.
Oh shit, cobwebs.
Yeah, I know.
Cobwebs, sorry.
Tons of cobwebs in here.
Load of, that's a
This looks like it would have been a front room type of thing. Look at that. Yeah, you do keep swearing. Dog baskets. What else you got down there? I've no idea what that is. Cooker. Got an old clock there as well.
There's jewellery there.
There is, isn't there?
Mm.
This place looks like it's all, everything's been shifted to the front, doesn't it? Oh, there is, isn't there? There's some jewellery, some cushions, deck chairs.
That's beautiful.
Like an old little wagon, like a gypsy wagon, isn't it?
Can you pick it up and put it on the side?
Oh. Yeah, this looks like an old sort of gypsy wagon. Like this old scooter. Don't think it's an electric one though.
I think it is.
Oh, this is just full of mattresses, this. Wow. Pink, these old farmhouses. Oh, these cupboards and the floor. I'll show you the ceiling here, it's all coming down. Wow, this place is not what I expected it to be, I must say. See, this goes underneath the stairs. Loads and loads of cobwebs all hanging around here. Be careful when you go across because there's a big hole. There's a hole in the floor here, but I feel like I do. I'll go down, must have been the front door. There. These old windows though.
They're nice, aren't they?
Huge. They are massive. Wow.
There's 2 sets of stairs in like these old houses, isn't there?
There is.
Even like the cupboards.
Nothing in them though, the cupboards are huge, all built in.
This reminds me of
that fireplace down here.
reminds me of like cupboards that you see in other places, isn't it?
Let me go upstairs.
There's some cobwebs there. Just little ones there.
Alright. My hand's free, get through. Come and have a look. Oh, careful. Yeah, don't go on the middle. My foot just nearly went through one. It's so soft.
Where's the
Yeah, I know. Wow.
Oh shit, my foot just went through.
That is huge. We can't go in the flooring. You can see the flooring starting
Yeah,
to
you
go
can
through.
see from downstairs that the floor's
Wow, the room's massive. But
not the wallpaper. Duck.
yeah. Well, where do you see this wallpaper then? Definitely a kid's room.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Holding on there, just thinking, please don't fall through.
The wallpaper's awesome. Is there anything else in there?
No. Go through this way. Just try and stand on the joists.
How do you know the joists are?
Look where the holes in the floor are. It's all empty, isn't it?
Yeah.
What a shame. It's alright.
I'm get worried.
But I'm gonna head down. Hold on, let me check in here. This bathroom. Oh, right pink. Got the bathtub down here. Jesus. This place is falling to pieces, isn't it? I don't really feel safe up here, Megs. I'd rather yeah, no, I'd rather just get down. All feels
Step up.
yeah, no, I'm at the sides, don't worry. It's so soft and everything. I don't know if
Step at the side so you sit in the middle.
oh, my feet. Can only go. Oh, I made it down. There is some bits outside I'm going to have a look at.
Oh shit.
Stop swearing.
This corset doesn't even You know what I'm going to put it down to?
What?
I'm stressed from having the kids for 6 weeks.
Oh.
A bit. Stress.
Coming through? No. Oh, that is pretty. Let's go and have a look out here. You look out on the outside to the inside though. Bloody hell. Got here. Looks like we've got a garage. It's gonna have a fireplace, isn't it?
Is it?
On the back, yeah, look.
I wonder if this is like...
It's weird, like, to have a fireplace in a garage. And a mirror along here. Let's see. This place just doesn't feel safe at all, does it? I think this looks like at one point it might have been part of the actual house.
That's
Just,
what I mean.
yeah, it just doesn't feel safe in any of it. Got an old barn here. Quite a few old barns actually. It does say warning CCTV about. Wow. some of these. Old stables. Some office equipment in there. These definitely the old stables, isn't they? Look at them. Must have had a few horses in that here. Is that open? It's really low, the roof. Got a bit of cutlery in that along here.
They've all got names. Murphy, Bailey, Tipster, Burt, Whitney, Holly. Dressage.
Bella. Wow, look at this.
Got some wardrobe they're using it as a cabinet.
Like an old barbecue or something. Fire here. Yeah, like you said, an old cabinet. Got through there. This is obviously the stalls where they kept them all. Wow. What we got out here? Ah, we're at the end. Some more stables and that. These old farms full of this sort of stuff. I mean, this one here is in quite a built up area, so it's a shame to see these guys. So I've got like a mobile home thing here. Have a look in that in a sec. This, obviously the front of the stable where we was, so they probably would have kept more animals. Yeah, this one looks quite cleaned out, to be fair. The hay's quite fresh. That does look like fresh hay and that in there. I wouldn't have said this was a working farm though, if I'm honest. It's, yeah, it's what I'm saying, it's all fresh hay. I mean, that's what I'm saying, would he said this was a working farm? Got a caravan in that down there. These premises, Highland Security. See, that's all boarded up along here. See, that looks more fresh in here. Sounds like something's in there. Ah, magpie. See, this looks a lot fresh as well. Fresh timber and that.
There's another caravan
Yeah. So I mean, maybe this part of the farm is still used. The house definitely ain't. Oh. There's a what?
Like a cat, if you look.
Oh yeah.
It's like cat food.
Little cattery thing, yeah? Wow. Nothing in this one. It's obviously the front of the house. Oh wow, really overgrown here. Looks like an old swing set maybe. Look at that. It's just falling to pieces. Well, you've seen from inside. That's what I'm saying, is that an old swing set? Yeah, you just don't realise it from the other side, do you? But caravan here. Anything great, interesting there? I'm going to go across that mobile home. You see now, I think there's another building down there.
We've all got signs of
Another house.
Warning.
Well, it is, isn't it? Can't get in that one. Yeah. Probably is. I mean, it was saying there's cameras here, but I can't imagine. Well, no, we're just having a look.
You know what I learned? Like the little setup of these like farms, you know, like
Reminds me like of a little
play area.
village. Like little houses and that.
It's cute.
I wouldn't dare go at the top there though. Not a chance. Oh, it's padlocked anyway. It's padlocked. It's just a motorhome anyway. This is the entrance where we came in. But guys, I think just a little tour of you know, it's a fairly you know what, it's falling to pieces, there's no doubt about it. We come here, we try, we have a
look. Know what
look.
it's going to be like. Just wanted to do a video, show you guys. You know, it's not the best, ain't a time capsule. However, you know, it is an old farmhouse, and I reckon it's got to be. How old do you think it is?
I don't know, probably built in like 40s, 50s possibly.
Yeah. So it's, you know, I can imagine at one point it had a lot of history.
Yeah,
a lot of history. It would have
done,
looked lovely in there with like the farm and everything.
But yeah, you enjoyed it. You know, it's just a little look about. Like I said, we love going around these old places, whether they're full to the brim of old things or whether they're like this. So
yeah,
hope you guys enjoyed it. Not going to edit. I'm going to do it raw.
Do it raw.
Do it raw. I'm going to raw it. Do it raw. No cuts. We'll ping this up and sort of put it on
cut
some point in the week.
Cut.
Cut? No, we'll ping it up.
Yeah, I'm saying cut, like cut now.
Oh, you idiot.
No, you got it.
Right. But you happy?
I'm happy.
Oh, you guys are happy, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.